Welcome to the Bürkert eShop, the easiest way to purchase measurement and control systems for liquids and gases. We've done our best to make ordering from us as simple and efficient as possible. Everything you need to know about our products is just a few clicks and a My Bürkert account away. Whether that's dimensional or CAD drawings, current prices, delivery times or stock levels, everything is up to date and at your fingertips. The eShop is a reliable and vital component for speeding up your work processes. There are various ways to find and order products in the Bürkert eShop. You can obtain quick results by entering article or type numbers, as well as keywords in the search at the top of the page. If you aren't quite sure what you're looking for, then navigation is useful to look for an item in a specific product group. Or, if you're looking for an item with special characteristics, you can refine your search with our product filter. You can check the price and availability of all products, as well as order certificates, or find matching accessories if available. We also offer a wide range of replacement parts should you need them. You can easily copy the technical attributes for your documentation here. You can also share the results with colleagues for internal discussions or with your Bürkert contact if you should have any questions. If the product isn't quite right, you don't have to start your search all over again. Simply select the indispensable attributes and revise your results. You can compare the products of your choice, displaying only the differences or all the properties until you find the right one. If you know exactly what you want, you can use our quick order function and simply input the desired article numbers and quantities, or upload them as a spreadsheet and add the items to your basket with one click. To place an order and use many other advantages of our website, you will need to log in or register. Both new and existing customers can register quickly and easily with just a few clicks. You will then benefit from features such as downloading important documents and CAD drawings from your My Bürkert customer portal, and be able to view your specific data at a glance. Once you've got everything you need in your basket, head to the checkout. You can add additional notes or specific material references and create a quote from your basket for your purchasing process. You can even save items and notes in wish lists to make your next orders easier and share them with your colleagues via email. Once you've placed the order, you can track it on your My Bürkert dashboard. Not only that, but you can also see the details for your personal Bürkert contact if you wish to get in touch. Visit our eShop and see how we can make your ideas flow.